From ancient history, with so many incredible destinations, towns, and breathtaking landscapes, Europe has something for everyone. With so many incredible destinations, where do you even begin? Get your passports ready as we take a look at these incredible places. Number 1. Colmar. Colmar has achieved the top spot on the Coronation platform as the best European destination, a reward that is truly well-deserved. Colmar is renowned as the main capital of Alsace wines and a prominent tourist destination in the wine industry. It is also a perfect spot for those who appreciate history and love food, music, and culture. Colmar is a vibrant city in France that boasts an impressive 300 sunny days a year. With its charming atmosphere, it should definitely be at the top of your wish list. Whether you're traveling with your loved ones, family, or friends, it's an ideal destination for all. Book your accommodation and trips to Basel at unbeatable prices. Explore a variety of activities and tours in Alsace, including the popular day tour of the Four Wonders of the World from Colmar. Number 2. Brasov. Brasov is a highly popular destination in Transylvania, attracting a large number of visitors to Romania. Due to its convenient central location, it is easily accessible by train. Additionally, Romania's picturesque landscape and suitability for road trips make it a sought-after destination for many tourists. Situated at the base of the Carpathian Mountains, Brasov offers a captivating mix of medieval architecture, intriguing history, mythical tales, and a vibrant local culture, all within a charming small-town ambience. Brasov is truly the gem of Romania. It was interesting to discover that in the Middle Ages, the city was known as the Crown City, which seems quite appropriate. We decided to explore the area and ended up visiting Bran Castle, famously known as Dracula's place. It was just a short ride away from where we were staying. Number 3. Lucca. Lucca is an ideal base for exploring the beautiful countryside nearby. However, it also offers a wide range of activities and attractions for those who prefer to stay in one place. It's a great idea to start your Lucca adventure by taking a leisurely stroll around the city, particularly along the Mura di Lucca, which are the ancient fortress walls encircling the city. Here you can find a variety of Lucca's popular attractions, including the renowned towers like Torre Guingi, also known as the Tree Tower, the impressive Cathedral San Martino, the elegant Palazzo Fanna, beautiful botanical gardens, and the serene grassy park outside the city wall. Then, as you wander through the narrow alleys and streets of Lucca, you can get a closer look. Make sure to explore Lucca's renowned squares or piazzas as well. The circular Plaza dell'Anfiteatro, constructed around the remnants of an amphitheater, boasts a selection of excellent restaurants in Lucca and consistently exudes a vibrant ambience. Just outside the Piazza dell'Anfiteatro, you should definitely check out Bistro d'Antoine. They offer a variety of delicious dishes that are typical of the region. One dish that you must try is the tortelli lucchese, a mouth-watering pasta filled with meat, Swiss chard, and cheese. If you're interested in a one-of-a-kind experience in this region known for its culinary delights, consider joining a pasta-making class or going on a tour of Tuscan wineries. You'll have the opportunity to sample wines from 2 of the region's best vineyards during a delicious lunch. Number 4. Prague. Prague is a highly sought-after destination in Europe for tourists and a fantastic option for a city getaway. Prague is known for its stunning historic buildings, numerous popular attractions, and a vibrant European nightlife, making it a city that caters to all interests. Whether you're visiting Prague for the weekend or longer stay, there are plenty of exciting things to see and do. The Old Town Square boasts Prague's most exquisite architecture and a selection of top-notch restaurants. Make sure to plan your visit accordingly so you can witness the astronomical clock striking the hour. Stroll along the famous Charles Bridge to enjoy breathtaking vistas of Prague City and the castle. Number 5. Baden-Württemberg. Feel free to enjoy some retail therapy at the Stuttgart Center. Marvel at the blend of history and stunning architecture at Heidelberg Palace, and fuel your passion for automobiles at the Mercedes-Benz Museum, a massive 9-story, 16,500 square meter space, as well as the Porsche Museum. Explore the Solitude Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, enjoy a boat tour on the Neckar River, or discover the rich history of Hohenbaden Castle. These excursions offer a chance to soak up the German sun and create lasting memories. Experience the thrill of Europa Park, the largest theme park in Germany and the second most popular theme park in Europe, and make your vacation unforgettable. There are plans to add a new section to the park in 2024, which will be the largest dedicated to Croatia and Nikola Tesla. This section, named Voltra Nevera, powered by Rimac, will house the park's first new roller coaster in over a decade. Number 6. Barcelona. Barcelona offers a wide range of attractions, including stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and picturesque beaches. In addition, getting here is a breeze with the Barcelona El Prat International Airport. Barcelona is widely recognized for this stunning architecture created by Antoni Gaudí. One can spend a day exploring the renowned Basilica of La Sagrada Familia, the enchanting Parc Güell, and other distinctive buildings like Casa Mila and Casa Batlló. Exploring Las Ramblas is a must-do activity in Barcelona. This famous pedestrian boulevard spans approximately 1.2 kilometers and is brimming with a delightful array of cafes, museums, bars, cathedrals, and plazas at every turn. The Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boquera is the main attraction of Las Ramblas. Make sure to explore the vibrant selection of freshly squeezed juices, a rainbow of colors, along with fresh fish, produce, spices, nuts, meats, cheeses, and an array of prepared foods to satisfy your craving. Barcelona offers a wide variety of mouth-watering dishes, ranging from jamón ibérico to churros con chocolate. The dish is usually made with rice and flavored with paprika and saffron. It is cooked in a wide, shallow pan. Barcelona offers a wide variety of paella options, many of which are centered around seafood. Number 7. Malta. Malta possesses a captivating allure with its rich history and the diverse influences it has absorbed from its Mediterranean neighbors. This has created a captivating fusion of culture, cuisine, language, and landscape. The country boasts numerous historic treasures, including Casa Rocapiccola, a magnificent 16th century palazzo, and the renowned St. John's Cathedral in the capital city of Valletta, which is recognized by UNESCO. The Gantija temples in Zagra and Gozo are remarkable structures that have stood the test of time, with a history dating back to 3600 BC. Those who enjoy basking in the sun will be pleased to know that the country also boasts a stunning coastline with sandy beaches and inviting crystal clear waters. It is an ideal destination for those looking to unwind on a Malta holiday. Number 8. Azores. The Azores, a group of 9 volcanic islands, is located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, roughly equidistant from the United States and Europe. The off-the-beaten-path destination is pleasantly cool in the summer and never feels crowded. You can take a ferry to the smaller islands for fewer crowds, or stick around the larger islands for more activities. The island's remote location and stunning scenery, with volcanic craters, craggy cliffs, and moss-covered mountains, create an atmosphere of exotic beauty. The bubbling natural hot springs and famous crater lakes add to its allure. Whale watching is a beloved pastime on the island, and summer offers the greatest opportunity to catch a glimpse of majestic sperm whales. It's a fantastic place for diving, particularly if you're interested in observing whales from a close distance. There are nearly 30 different whale species that inhabit the waters surrounding the islands. Number 9. Lapland. As the Mediterranean continues to heat up, northern Finland has become an increasingly popular summer destination due to its vast outdoor expanse that offers ample space for everyone. It's worth noting that Rovaniemi, the capital of Finnish Lapland, is not only known for being Santa Claus' home during winter, but also for experiencing the phenomenon of the midnight sun in early summer. This means that you can enjoy almost 24 hours of daylight during this time. The solstice is a highly sought-after time to visit, offering endless parties and celebrations for you to enjoy. Experience the captivating midnight sun phenomenon as you venture into the serene countryside of Finnish Lapland, the perfect escape for those seeking to disconnect from the world and immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. Number 10. Valencia. Valencia is known for its diverse range of personalities, which we wholeheartedly embrace. Visitors frequently overlook this charming town as they rush to their destination in Barcelona. However, those who invest their time are rewarded with a captivating blend of architecture, age-old customs, and breathtaking parks that we enjoy on a daily basis. We thoroughly enjoyed the futuristic City of Arts and Sciences, which is a remarkable collection of museums. You want to soak up the sun? There are plenty of nearby beaches where beach life is a true lifestyle. And let's not overlook the food scene. Paella originated in Valencia. You have the opportunity to travel in March. The city truly comes alive with its lively Fallas Festival, featuring a grand procession of elaborate floats. And that concludes our whistle-stop tour of the 10 best places to visit in Europe in 2024. Place left you itching to pack your bag? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you're ready to explore Europe, and subscribe for more inspiring travel videos.